Hey, buddy. Hey, let's get you dry. There you go. Just rest. Just ride it out. You're doing good. Okay, buddy. Off you go. That's it. Right there. Easy. Right here. All right, little guy, lead the way. Got a good hold there. Whoa, you're a baby. Look at those tiny hands. You want to climb? There you go. You like the stick? Yeah? You're brave. Mom's watching. Thank you.